Good morning, everyone. This is your Nilofer ma'am. I hope you all are fine at your homes and your study is going well. So, as you all know that we are doing the syllabus of internal assignment 3. Our subject is English grammar, and in today's video I will explain you worksheet 2 that is related to lesson 9 of English grammar. Topic of the lesson is modals. So as you all have seen that yesterday we have started lesson 9, and in yesterday's worksheet I have explained you some definitions related to modals only, and in today's worksheet 2 we will discuss the remaining definitions that are related to modals only. So like always, before starting the work you all have to mention today's date in your copies, that is 30 July 2021. With this you have to mention online classwork in your copies, and with this you have to mention lesson 9 in your copies. Now let's see the remaining definition. Next definition is of modal auxiliaries. So let's see what are modal auxiliaries. A modal is a type of auxiliary helping verb that is used to express ability, possibility, permission, obligation, etc. So a modal is also a type of auxiliary that is helping verb, and a modal is used to show some specific situations like ability, possibility, permission, obligation, etc. Example you can see here, she may go on a holiday. So here may is a modal and it is showing the possibility that she may go on a holiday. Second one is I must leave soon. So here must is a modal that is showing necessity, that I need to leave soon. So here you can see that modal is used as helping verb and it is showing the specific situations. Now let's see the examples of modals. The modals are can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, need to, ought to, used to, must. So they are modals and they are used in different situations. Now let's move forward. Next is exercise A, and the heading is fill in the blanks with correct modals according to the given situations. So we have to fill the blanks with the correct modal, and the situation is being given here. We have to fill the modal according to the situation only. First sentence is you dash consult a doctor because of your viral fever. So here advice we have to give, and for giving advice we use should. So that's why we have filled should. You should consult a doctor because of your viral fever. Second sentence is you dash answer any two of the following questions. So here necessity we have to show, and for showing necessity we use need to. You need to answer any two of the following questions, means any two answer you have to give. Third sentence is how dash she not attend such an important class. So here we have to show past ability, and for showing ability we use can, and when we are talking about the past ability that means we will use could. So that's why we have filled how could she not attend such an important class. So that time we are telling the past ability of a person. Fourth sentence is we dash try this restaurant in town. So here we have to show future possibility. So for possibility we use may. We may try this restaurant in town. So that means in future at any point we may try. Fifth sentence is dash you like some cherries in your ice cream. So here we have to offer someone. So to make an offer we use would. Would you like some cherries in your ice cream? You are offering someone that the person likes some cherries in his or her ice cream. Sixth sentence is you dash pay attention to your pronunciation to be able to speak English accurately, and here again we have to see we have to give suggestion actually. So the modal we have filled, that is must, because we have to show the necessity. We are telling to someone that you must pay attention to your pronunciation if you want to speak English accurately. Seventh sentence is we dash applied for the contest before the last date. So here we have to show the expected behavior, and we have filled with should have. So we should have applied for the contest before the last date. Last sentence is Rima dash get tickets for the show if she books in advance. So here we have to show possibility, and we are showing less possibility. That's why we have filled might. Rima might get tickets for the show if she books in advance. So here we have shown less possibility. So this was exercise A, in which we have filled the modals according to the situation. I hope everything is clear to all of you. If still any confusion is there, so you can ask me on the WhatsApp also. I'll meet you in the another explanation video. Till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye everyone.